All right, let's see what's going on with the markets today. Supposed to be a very volatile day. We're just getting started here. Implementing a new strategy. We're going to call it a tortoise strategy because I got the tortoise behind me. Let's see what we got. Not a lot of volume. We are getting a nice pump here though. Just get all this set up. Welcome everyone. Again, trying out a new strategy here. Stayed up late working on some things. We'll call it a tortoise strategy because you can see behind me I got the tortoise out today. We'll see if he comes out. He'll be our indication of whether to take longs or shorts. But not a lot of volume today. As of right now, not what I expected. Maybe everyone's gonna wait and see. I mean, we already know that the New York session is the most busy. Make sure we're all good out here. Okay, all right. Let's see. I did work on a new indicator. Let's see how that works out. It's saying go long here. It's kind of a crazy strategy, but it does seem to work out on back tests. Let's see. It's saying go long, but I don't like to trade early on. We gotta mark our levels first of all. We'll give it hide here. Let's mark our key levels here in the hourly time frame. We got here. We got over here. We already broke through this one, looks like. So we should be targeting on this area here. To the downside. Now I'm only trading MNQ and MGC. Let's take a look at how gold's working. Wow, we're getting a nice pump of gold. 0.85% already. It's a strong candle. But instead of just jumping right in, let's take a step back here, especially on the open. This is where we get a lot of fake outs. So I am live on YouTube, Kick, TikTok, I believe Facebook too. No, it's YouTube, Instagram, Kick, and TikTok. We'll see if there's any good setups. Get started. I did add some more accounts to my Top Step. It's like my first time really trading with them, honestly. I'm a big fan of Take Profit Trader before. I just love the fact that there's no trailing drawdown here on funded accounts. Now again, this is for entertainment purposes and it's not financial advice. Trading is risky. I'm just drawing out key hourly levels. I am a little late. I want to get this done earlier. This indicator is actually a indicator strategy rather I built for gold. I'm sorry, for MNQ, but it's looking good on gold too. So this is going to be just small positions testing to see if this is going to work. I'm liking it though. $15-minute high and low. We'll draw out in yellow. Previous day high. Let's get the low on there as well. What is that? This is the 6th. Oh my God, it's pumping. We were low, aren't we? Welcome, guys. Is anyone in on this right now? I'm just drawing in my levels before I do anything. Stay on the page, obviously. It's my first day testing out this new strategy I built last night. It took me till the morning, but you know what I mean. There's no way we're getting down to these levels. This is more realistic. So I typically look for what has more volume. MQ does. Let's look at the 5-minute. So this is a strategy that I built. Let's go. Kept it nice and simple. It does have a lot of entries and exits. It is saying to enter one position here, but I don't like it. Let's wait and see. You got a piece of that, baby L? All right, Mo. What'd you trade? MNQ or what? Typically, we get a high within the first hour and a half to 2 hours. Let's see. Well, let's see. I'm just putting the chat up. Two minis. All right. You better close out, bro. Let's see if this strategy actually works out. I used to use ChatGPT, but Codex is a lot better. Let's see what the tortoise has to say. He's not out yet, so I don't know. He's not out. 1.4% on gold. My goodness, it's been a gold rush. MGC is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. If you're trading a eval account, I would take it easy. There's no point. Or change that actual the loss target. You know, save your profits. We know how these things can wick out. So right now we're so far ahead of VWAP. Volume is coming down. Now let's switch. I'm on the. Let's check out the gold strategy. Didn't really go off yet, but I mean, clear support and resistance on the hourly. You're in this one? Oof. No, I got my top step open. I mean, I could take this move from here to here, but let me see a little pullback. If we're gonna see one here, what are we at? 632. We might not even see one. What's 1.5%? And look, there's the Nasdaq reversal. We can do a Fibonacci retracement level, bottom and top. We can get a bounce here. Let's see. So this looks like a rejection of the 15-minute ORB. But I'm not willing to take on a uptrend. It's not worth it. It's still saying long. Let's see if we got out on a 5-minute. No, it's still in. We never closed a 5-minute under that yet. I'd be careful here. Good, good. Better safe. I feel like this is gonna start flipping soon. But gold. I think we'll keep an eye on gold instead. This is outrageous. And gold has just been a freaking Mr. Reliable. Let me get on my indicators. Now I gotta draw even more zones. I didn't even think we'd be up here already. This is insanity. I love volatility. People complain. I mean, you can make quick moves and get out. Why would you not like volatility? 450, that's beautiful. Move that personal daily stop. I'm telling you. You'll regret it because you want to lock in those profits. That gold on it, if it comes back down to this is a 5 EMA down to here. Because this is a resistance area, so I'd be careful. And we are extended. We're pretty extended. We could see a little bit of rejection. And that's what I'm talking about. Baby Al's trading, yeah, man. Gotta get these kids on early. I'm gonna get the tortoise trading soon. Oof, oof. That's what I'm talking. These hourly support resistance, top notch. Boys is nice, bro. You bought the open? I gotten hurt so many times on that. I'm like, I just won't touch it. $50.10. What are we at now? Oof. 40-point move. This pullback actually right here is a spot that I might buy into, depending on this close. But I don't know. I mean, it seems like gold's the play here. We can do a scalp on the gold. I want to see a break this high of the 70. Let's see. Beautiful. If you guys are in there, show the channel some love. Some likes. Let's get this thing going. Let's get people in here. 1 to 2 micros, yeah. So I made 3 orders here. $50 loss to $150 profit, $750 to $1,000, $125 to $200. That pullback on what? You guys are just watching gold? If it comes down here, I'd like it, but I might just take it anyways. But the trailing, what are we averaging per candle here? We have high and low about 20 points, so we could do trailing by, like, let's say 30 if we want to let it run. And I could buy 2, but I don't know. Are you guys still in there? Smart money concepts? This is just, if it breaks that, it might be a good idea.
Order filled.
We'll see. We're trailing tight though.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm okay with that. Yeah, no, if you're done with it, especially at eval account, take it.
Order filled.
Okay, we get some moves. I think I might be buying at the top here, honestly. But I'm not on a 2-minute even. Okay. Oh, I didn't put the trailing in. 30. See, I'm not even worried about that because my trailing's gonna be at least break even. So I could care less. You know, that's a nice thing about these trailing stops. I just love them. So let's see the smart money concepts you said. Let's do it. Let's add that in there. The thing is, it's already, like, mine's already messy.
Order filled.
I gotta show you guys this around 7 o'clock. What's 7 o'clock? Is it Tokyo? Yeah, this is am I still in this or did I get stopped out? Yeah, I got stopped out. I think I'm trailing tight. That's MNQ though. This is a solid resistance, so. Would anybody buy a pullback? I mean, you gotta be really, really tight. Quick scalp. What about the smart money concepts? What are you looking for? You're saying the. Yeah, you're right. You're right about gold being too volatile. Yeah, you need some space. 20 ticks. Yeah, we'll give you 75 ticks. On a micro, it's not bad at all though. This could be a good little trade.
Order filled.
We could do 50. That gives us some space. The only problem with Top Step is that I can't use TradingView, man. It's kind of frustrating, but I guess I'm trying to see that right there. It's probably gonna close me out. It's looking like a bull flag though. swear, did it stop me out? No, I'm still in there. I might. Let me see this break how it looks. See, it hasn't really broken out yet, and volume's low. Ooh. Oh, I'm missing it, huh? Fair value gap. I hear a lot of people talking about these. It says it shows. What time frame are you looking at?
Order filled.
I get stopped out there. It should be here. I see him here. I don't know why it's not showing up here. They're both in like premium zones. It might show as FB. I saw it. I saw it's turned on. This thing is not stopping though, huh? What is it they're bullish about on NASDAQ is what I'm wondering. Oh, this is a break to the downside, huh? Let me add smart money concepts and add it to my thing. And then I do like DrVP. And then I think that's gonna be it. Do you guys do these where you have them set up for you? Like this is my MGC MNQ, so then it's already set up. The thing is, man, you know, this is a gold right here. Trading with micros like this doesn't make sense though. 50 to 150. This is a rare on 2 micros. I mean, I should be probably trading 5 to get that kind of return on. No, we should be doing 5 here, but this is on MGC. We're doing MQ. Most I'm just watching. We are looking at MGC. It's such a volatile thing though. Like this right now is too slow to even take it. Yeah. I still think it's gonna come down. I'm trying to get ready for it though. 5. We should trail. What are we trailing here? 100. Wow, I bought that right up. This is why I don't buy those reversals. Why is it not showing up? I don't understand. Look, if it breaks that week high, I'm definitely getting it in there. Ooh. Double topish here. Whatever happened to my strategies? Yeah, they're not saying leave. See, if I have a small position, for instance, right? I think that's what I should do. Is just leave a small position in these. I could ride it out throughout the night, no problem. Wait for my closure. The cool thing is it tells me when to add more. On MGC. Yeah, I see these. Yeah, this is what you're talking about, right? This might be a quick scalpel I could take. I can just get eaten up so quick, fast. Let's see if I close. Tortoise. Not a word from the tortoise. He doesn't know what's going on either. What do you guys think about that? I'm wearing gold today. I don't know about shorting it. Well, the candles, what are we talking about here? Low to high, or about, it's not crazy. So 100's a little bit much. Maybe do 50 if we can try to catch that. Limits? Limit orders you're saying, or what? I'm smacking the Bollinger Band, but we are above the RVP. I don't think it's due for a little pullback. The market can do whatever the hell it wants. I mean, it might come down here and just pop off. I mean, he's picking up on volume. You don't like NQ, huh? You're just sticking to gold, that's it? If we get a break here, look at gold, man. It's a force, isn't it? Could we be flat again? Yeah, man. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I know better than that. But I could buy 5 here prematurely. I could get destroyed. Because volume is dropping. You know what I'm saying? Like, volume is coming down. And what are we in? We're about 2 hours into open. So you said this is Tokyo anyways. Yeah, I mean, it's getting bought up. It doesn't make any sense to go the other way around. Yeah, man. Yeah, stick to the trend. The reason why I even started doing trend reversals and mean reversion is because I'm like, you know what? Let me do the opposite. But no, actually, if you go back in time, sticking to the trend is actually a decent move. But I really want to see a clean break here. Like right now, it's a premature entry. This is Tokyo, huh? You said Tokyo, a little volatile? Oh, there it is. Let's see a clean break and closure. I don't have the patience for closures, but that's what the tortoise is here for. It's a lesson. Slow and steady, baby. You out yet? Oh, my boy's sleeping. You guys gotta see the boy. There it is, man. That's a nice pump fake right there. It could be a rising wedge too, right? What do you guys think? It's pushing hard. This is gonna pop either way. Whenever I see the candle like shivering like that, getting all jittery, looks like someone's getting pushed out. Sellers might be coming in. I mean, the target would be right here. How much time I got? This is the problem with this garbage of trading on their platform. Good entries for longs you're talking about. Yeah. I mean, you're supposed to guess. I mean, that'd be the move. That would be the move. To go long is what you're saying. I could do something prematurely, but again, we are above the RVP. Does this thing give me a time frame here, man? Oh, the 5 minute did close. The previous one, this one's brand new. If Top Steps could just get themselves on TradingView already. This is a decent entry right here, man. If we break this part right here, I think it'll explode. We are holding this hourly. If it breaks under, I wouldn't be thrilled. Yeah. Let's see this stochastic RSI. This might be a divergence, actually. Man, good work. I'm not catching those trades, man. Get that done. Relax. I'm in no rush. I mean, if I'm seeing nothing worth taking, I'm just gonna sit back. Maybe wait for New York. We are staying above the 5 EMA, which is really strong. Super Bowl, I forgot about that. What? I can't believe it. Who cares? People care about the Super Bowl. I'm watching 21-year-olds make millions. Heard Bad Bunny's playing the halftime show, though. That's pretty good. Maybe we should play that on the side. Here we go, TikTok. This guy's the worst. It's getting bought up. So true that people are worried about the Super Bowl. Literally trillions of dollars, not multi-millions, just at least just being tossed around on a daily basis. If you ever join one of those things to see how much people are trading and the amounts that are getting tossed around, it'll blow your mind. Let's get it though. This is gonna be almost an engulfing here. The Super Bowl. Who's playing the Super Bowl anyways? We'll come. Let's see. We're just in that spot right here where it can go either way. I'm keeping my eyes on both though. So we gotta keep the gold up here. We gotta close this one out. Okay, let's see. I'd like to see a break. And hold there. We'll get it moving then. There we go. Just seems to be a resistance. We can look around here for a little bit. I was a little bit late, and these entries were later anyways. There could be a little reversal going on though. Whenever we pop like that. That might be the better move. Let's close out Instagram. So max confusion, huh? That's a good name. Kick. The markets are max confusing. But I mean, with a jump like this, I mean, if we fill this fair value gap, that would be insanity. I don't know if I can stay up that late though. Get rich or lose sleep trying, they say, huh? I don't know if they say it, but I mean, I say it. Nothing really going on. Just remind me of the Super Bowl. Okay, that's a break. Forgot about the Super Bowl. All right, bro. Thanks for joining, man. Say hi to everyone for me. Get some food. I might close out too, actually, catch a little bit of the Super Bowl. Maybe take a trade on the side. 21, I agree. That's what these yellow ones are. Yep, that'd be the mean reversion. I agree. And we got VWAP down here almost aligning with it. Better than waiting, trying to catch the down move. Wait for it to get the right spot and continue with the trend. Now that's pushing now. Now we're talking about MNQ. Gotta be moving quicker than this. Sometimes MNQ and gold just move in the opposite directions.
Order filled.
They really stop sell. And I want to trail by about 50. 50 is about what? Let's see if we're gonna push through. Unstoppable interband. Move up with it. This is the area where it could get rejected. It's struggling. I wonder how volume is. There's a massive volume. I'm gonna close that out and just let it ride. It's risky because that way I could lose profits very easily. I mean, it's not much profit to get. I'm testing here. This is a 100K test account. This is the Super Bowl right here. There we go, baby. Isn't this much better? Yeah, we got off Instagram now or on Facebook. I've just reminded of the Super Bowl. We got NASDAQ making a little push.
Order filled.
Close. That is a major resistance area. Now we can see it retest and break through. Who's playing the Super Bowl even? What's going on? Oof, that's that break I was trying to catch earlier. It might be a little premature. Let's flip back a little bit.
Order filled.
Let's get out of this thing. Yeah, it's gonna pull back. I want this thing to run. If it'll let us. Is it holding above there though is the question. Is it holding above? We have a VRVP node. That's why I give it a little more space. You're not supposed to really touch your stop loss. I know that. I know NQ. We go way back. We go way back. We do, don't we? Forget about the sell order. We're trailing, so it doesn't matter. Again, this is more testing. We're trading small just to get a feel for it. With the trailing stop loss, I mean, I can't lose. This is my entry. I cannot lose. So why cap it? I do that in case it flies through.
Order
Close
filled.
it out there, for instance. I want to see if my strategy is going to take that. Completely forgot that the Super Bowl is going on. I'm probably gonna get up and watch it soon, but this is, I mean, there's some significant breakouts. I might just take a short position and let it hold. If we get a retest here on the 5-minute on that NQ, and how's gold looking? Gold actually broke down, huh? But this is a fair value gap. This could be an area where it does bounce. Now we gotta watch that. We could retest down here, but this is the 20 EMA on the 5-minute and the 21 of it. Could be a good area to just kind of take a quick scalp. But let's see, is volume even there? I think the volume is watching Super Bowl. The volume is watching the Super Bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna close earlier because I need to get some sleep. I haven't slept in a while. Obviously, I slept, but not enough. So let's see. We get a 5-minute close under here, under D20 or 21 EMA. It's kind of a good sign. And Q if it breaks, it might break.
Order filled.
So the scalp move, max loss is $50. So it's very tight, very just tight. It's already up massive, so this is just a very
Order
careful
filled.
play, yeah. I don't mind those because the risk reward is so high. But there's the move. We'll see. Here's a fair value gap. This would be a better entrance than what I just did. We are getting a lot of wicks to the upside here. Wick, then they got sold, then they got sold. So this could be just a reversal. Well, if we break this high, I like these kind of breaks here. You know what you can do? I haven't done before really, is you can just click control and you can market buy. Like you can market
Order
buy.
filled.
No, not market buy.
Order filled.
I wanted to do a stop order. Again, this is just getting used to this platform. I traded on it last time, but it's my first time actually doing a stop order like this. Although I don't like buying at the top of the Bollinger Band. Sometimes you just keep getting bought up though. But that's why I put it above the previous high. So it does have to move significantly. But it could come down to here first. This is so much better than my market because you can get it at your price if it's, yeah, but that doesn't look great. But this area here, it could bounce. Let's see. And now we're like in a range here. I got too many lines. But basically, what is it, the 15-minute ORB? Just for bouncing between these two areas here. No need to redraw that green line. These are really no trade zones, honestly, unless you want to just buy up and down. And even MNQ, my order's not going to get filled here. Volume's low. You know, if you remember from previous sessions, we're talking about 200,000, 300,000. So I'm probably actually going to go watch the Super Bowl. Volume's picking up on the downside. We are extended. We are definitely extended. Where's this tortoise been on? There you are. I don't know if you guys can see him. His head's popping out. This is a tricky play. I mean, Q would not stop, huh? I'm better off buying at these levels. Really here, if we can retest this level and then bounce, that's a good spot. So talking about 305, 306 area. Ooh. Getting some selling volume, but this is the area. So this green is a fair value gap. This is straight from the indicator itself. Yeah, let's see. We'll give it a little more time. But I might be trading this on the side while I watch the game. So this is a break, but could it be one of those, you know, traps? They know sell orders are there. Could it be a liquidity sweep? Possible. That's why you gotta wait. Look, I mean, it got bought up immediately. It doesn't mean it's gonna continue up. Like, we gotta watch a little bit. Yeah, so it's just with this volume, it seems it's gonna start chopping around for a little bit. I'm not gonna wait around. I'm not gonna wait around. I've seen these. I like volume. I'll probably just keep an eye on it. Sure, everyone's watching the game. I'm about to join. All right, you guys have a good night. I'll be back. I'll try to trade every session I can. We'll see if I can get that done.